what is going on? So this is Ubank savings account review. So basically Ubank offers this savings account dubbed as Save, which designed to provide competitive interest rates. So this is the structure of the interest rates. Up to $100,000 there is a 5.50%, which is requires a monthly deposit of at least $500. Also between $100,000 and $250,000 there's a 5%. Above 250,000 there's no interest earned. And the fees, there are no monthly fees associated with the saves account. These are the features. So you have multiple save accounts up to 10. Also the ability to connect accounts up to 190 financial institutions. Automated saving options, setting budget and savers, customer service available through phone and online channels. Although it has some restrictions which can be like it can only be opened through Ubank and mobile app. And there also and there also has some and it also has some restrictions. They can be like account can only be opened through the Ubank mobile app, iOS and Android. External transfers are no longer available from the save account. Effective July 1, 2024, users must transfer money to the spend account and then to an external account. So to compare it, it's really like competitive interest rates and user friendly, but you should be aware of the limitations, particularly the changes to external transfer capabilities. Like I said, you have to transfer them to a spend account and then, yeah. So the recommendation is if you're seeking a high interest savings account with digital only bank, Ubank might worth considering. But you have to be aware of the pros and cons, including the tiered interest rates structure, which I mentioned earlier, and limitations and stuff like that. And also, you have to be prepared for the changes to account features and functionalities because Ubank keeps evolving. And yeah, that's it.